Welcome to Auto Adventure, your ultimate destination for automotive excellence. Today, we dive into the stunning 2024 Range Rover Sport SV by Mansory, a masterpiece that redefines luxury and performance. Mansory, a name synonymous with exclusivity and craftsmanship, has taken the already impressive Range Rover Sport SV and elevated it to a whole new level. The exterior is a statement of boldness and elegance. Mansory's signature widebody kit transforms the SUV with striking carbon fiber accents, an aggressive front grille, and aerodynamic enhancements. The 24-inch forged wheels are not just a visual upgrade. They enhance performance and give this SUV a commanding presence on the road. Under the hood lies a beast, a 4.4-litre twin-turbocharged V8 engine, pushing the boundaries with Mansory's performance tuning. It roars with an impressive 650 horsepower, propelling this luxury SUV from 0 to 100km/h in just 3.8 seconds. Speed, power, and refinement, all in one package. Step inside and you're greeted with unmatched luxury. Mansory has reimagined the interior with handcrafted leather, carbon fiber trim, and ambient lighting that exudes sophistication. Advanced tech features like the panoramic infotainment display and premium sound system ensure you travel in style and comfort. But it's not just about aesthetics and power. Mansory has incorporated advanced suspension tuning, ensuring a perfect balance of handling and ride comfort. Whether you're cruising through city streets or conquering rugged terrain, the 2024 Range Rover Sport SV by Mansory delivers an unparalleled driving experience. This isn't just an SUV, it's a statement of ambition, innovation, and style. A true marvel for those who demand the best. Thank you for watching Auto Adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more thrilling automotive content.